Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and for those that have been following us, we're looking at our new screen, and this is, I'm just touching it here now, I've just got the lights off so I don't get the reflection, but this is a removable 8 or 10 inch screen. The one we're looking at here is only 8 inch, and this is sitting on a double DIN that goes into the dash. We're putting it in the OCK, the Unimogs. But if you've got a canopy, it can sit in the back of the canopy. It can be a double DIN in the front. We're going to put one in an LC79 soon. And then in a caravan, it goes into the back. Big advantage of this is it's got 4 functions to it. One is the navigation, where to go to, the full fusion sound system, and now our touch screen. So we've got the 4 functions that are on there, and we've also got some other apps here. We've got IP cameras that you see over here, which we've just added, and we've got a fantastic IP camera over there that we're going to be setting up. And we've got some other apps. We've got the phone, so you can pair your phone. I personally think it's better than the Apple CarPlay because you're not locked into the Apple system. And you've got to remember that with Apple, on the navigation here, you have to be on the internet, whereas with this system you don't. You've got satellite, all the maps are on here. We've even got Hema Maps that are on here that you may have seen me pull up before. So I can pull all the Hema Maps up here, look for accommodation, look for camping grounds, and they all pop up around here. And we can do that without having necessarily having the internet on. So let's just go back now to where we were, and let's open up now our touch screen. And now we're on our display. So what we've done here at Safiery is we've got all the Victron gear incorporated in here, which we're reading and seeing. We've got Scotty in here, we've got alternator temperature in here, we've got our solar, of course, coming in through Victron. We've added a solar irradiation meter down here to give our efficiency, and that's really to tell you whether your panels need cleaning. And these are the buttons on the bottom here. You can see it lighting up when I touch it in the background here. And these are dimmable lights on this side. This one here is a master, but these are dimmable, and this side here is not dimmable. So we've put some up here fans, and the first job we're doing for the OCK, he's got a fan on the toilet there. And then what we've got up here is, as we touch these, we go into more detail. But the line here coming in here lights up when we get charging. So when we get charging from the alternator, that lights up. Charging from the solar, that lights up. Power going out, that one lights up. That one lights up. The AC in coming on here, it lights up on this side. This side here is all replenishment energy that we've got. And up here we've got 3 leaves that'll show you how many days you can stay camping for at the rate that you've been consuming the energy that is sustainable. So it's really about telling you, yes, you can stay for 1, 2, 3 days, and frankly, if it's 3 days, you can stay there for a long time. I think and that will refresh every hour. And over here we've got the tanks, and if you touch that, the whole tank display comes up, and then we've got temperatures. Touch that, all the temperatures pop up. And we've also got here the DC out. Now, as we turn each of these buttons on, the watts that it's consuming is going to appear in the top right there. It's a small number, but it's enough for you to know what's going on. So you'll see how much the fridge draws, you'll see how much each individual light draws, how much the fan draws, the water pump's drawing, and we're going to show it in watts. So this whole page here is going to be shown in volts in the battery here, but otherwise everything is in watts. And watts is like metric. It's much better than amp hours and amps because it all has to add up. So this screen here is going into the OCK at the front here that we're working on, and now we've got this available to go out to caravans and into motorhomes, and it's just a fantastic integrated display. The display comes off and can go inside, and yeah, I'm going to say, how good's that?